Hello guys, welcome back. So we are going to fix the position of this gun and also the size of it. So first of all we will fix its size and then we will go for the position in the user hands. So for that purpose, first of all, as you remember, we have to go to our inside the characters hero PP, which is arm skeleton, this one. Double click on it, open it up, and here at the bottom where we have our socket assault rifle. Now when you select socket assault rifle, make sure to go to the preview scene, okay? And here we will use specific animation. So we will search for rifle idle, which is this one, as you can see. So now we have to right click on the assault rifle and let's attach a preview asset, which is by the name object 2, which is this one, okay? So we have to fix its position as well as its size, as it is too big. So what we can do is, now this object 2, so the socket assault rifle, make sure that you click on it, okay? Socket assault rifle, and if you go to the details, you remember that I have told you in order to scale it, it is the relative scale. So for example, I'm going to give it 0.06, okay? So this is the actual you can say the size of a weapon. The earlier one was too big, okay, which is not the proper size. So it is totally up to you. If you want to keep it a little big, then go with 0.08 or 0.07, 0.07, 0.07. But I think this one is okay. All you need to do is now to set its position, that is how it will look. So that thing is, we have to select socket assault rifle and then the translate object. So you can move it. Let's check it from the other side. So it is now in the finger of our player. The size we will make a little bit bigger, which will be 0.07, 0.07 and 0.07, like this, okay? So it looks good now. So the finger is on the assault rifle, as you can see, and it is also fitted in the hands. Now also we will set its rotation. Is to move it like this a little. So it is now properly in the hand. Just we have to confirm now. It is, this finger must be set with this, okay? So now it is okay. So you have to just set it like this. Also, as I told you, you can directly set the values from here, okay, for the location, rotation and scale directly. So you can see that it is now okay. It is fitted in the hands of our player character. Now next thing comes is the rotation. That is, as you can see, it is a little bit downward. Before changing it, what I will do is I will simply click on save, okay, and I'm going to play the game just to see how it looks now. So if I press 1, then you can see that it is now the actual size of the rifle. However, the remaining things we will fix now. So first of all, we have to set its rotation. So for that purpose we have already selected the rotation, and we will move it like this. Okay, and this is the idle position. So let's click save. Let's take out assault rifle. So now it looks perfect. As you can see, it is now in the proper position. You can see that. Now the next thing that we will do is, for the, let's make it like this, and then some rotation. Let me just check it for the last time for the assault rifle. So it looks okay now, as you can see that. Now the next thing is the pistol. So this one is okay now. So what we can do is, we can now right click on the socket assault rifle and remove all attached assets. And as now we are going to check it for the pistol, so right click on pistol and then add preview asset, which is this pistol. Select that. So now we have to fix this as well. First of all, the size of it, we will make it 0.04. Okay, this is the pistol size. Let's rotate it. Let's save and see how it looks. So its direction is not okay. We have to make it direction correctly, okay? And let me tell you, if you can't do this, you can check the values from here, okay? At the end, you have to just type these values and it will work. So now we are going to move it. it is still not straight, so we have to make it straight. Let me just save it and see how it looks. So now it is okay. You can see that it is straight, okay, in the straight direction now. Of course, further you can rotate it as well. As you can see, this is the gun, okay. So you can further rotate it. And now let's also move it properly in the hands of our player character. Now let's save and let's see how it looks. It is little bit upward, so we have to move it now, I mean rotate it, okay. This one, so save and let's see how it looks. It is okay now. It is straight. Let's move it a little bit forward. Now let's save and let's check it. So now it is okay, you can see that. Let's see it from the side view. Now it is perfect. So of course, as I told you, you can set it by just these values. You can just follow it. So anyways, now I'm going to save and let's see it. So now I think this is okay. Also, let's check our assault rifle. Assault rifle is okay.